Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn Python in just 10 minutes. We will cover concepts a beginner should know. So let's start. For that, at first I have to create a Python file. To create a Python 3 file in Jupyter Notebook, you can create your Python 3 file and run in VS Code or any other IDE as you wish. I have given the name of this file as Python for beginners. At first, to print something, I will use the function print and I am printing hello world. Okay. Shift enter to run this statement. Now to assign a value to a variable, I am using a is equal to 55. So I have assigned 55 to a and then I have assigned 5 to b. Running this code, then to perform mathematical functions, I will do a plus b and run it. A plus b, and then we can do a minus b and so on. So we can do this plus, minus, addition, subtraction, modulus, any kind of operation in Python using the particular sign. Next is we have four kind of data structures in Python: list, set, tuple and dictionary. The first is list. We can define list like this. List can have values of different data types and it is ordered. So I can have 4, I can have a string inside it, cat, then I can have a floating point value like this. Okay, I'm running this to access a particular element from a list. I have to access it using the index number. So L1 will give us cat because at index 1 we have cat. Next is set. It is an unordered collection and it cannot have any duplicates. So we can define set like this. We can have values like 1, 1, 1, then 2, 2, 2, then 3. And now if I run this set, it will give us 1, 2, 3 because it cannot have duplicate values and it is also unordered. Next we have tuple. It is ordered collection but it is immutable. Unlike list, as we can change the size of a list, we cannot change the size of a tuple. So t is equal to 20 comma cat, and yeah, printing t, it prints the tuple. Next is dictionary. Dictionary is also similar to a list, but the only difference is in list we access the elements using the index number, but in dictionary we have something called key value pair. Dictionary is a list of key value pairs. We can access a particular element using the key. So d is equal to, within curly braces, suppose a is the key and the value for it is cat, and b is another key and the value for it is dog. I am running this, and then to access this cat I have to do d within curly braces within double quotes a, and it gives us the value cat. So these are the four data structures. Next we have the if else statement. If 10 equal to 10, print yes, else print no. So if I run this, it prints yes. Similarly, instead of this comparison operator equal to, we can give greater than equal to, and then it prints a yes because 10 is greater than or equal to. Instead of greater than equal to, if I print greater than, then it prints no. So comparison operator like equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to are also available in Python. In Python, indentation is very important. If you leave a space back and run it, it will throw an error. So tab or indentation is very important after every semicolon in Python. Next is while loop. For while loop, I am taking a variable x and whose value is 10. While x greater than 0, I am going to print the value of x, and then I am going to decrement x minus equals to 1. So each time the value of x will decrement to 1 up to it is 0. Until it is 0, it will print the value of x. Next is a for loop. So for I in range 0 to 10, I am printing print I. So the value of I will be printed from 0 to 9. It will not print 10 because this is the limit. Before that it will print. So if it is 11, then 0 to 11, it will print from 0 to 10. Since it is 10, it will print from 0 to 9. Let's create function. So what is a function? A function is a block of code which runs only when we call it. So it implements code reusability. We can reuse the same block of code multiple times as and when required. To create a function, we have to use the keyword def and then the function name. Suppose the function name is car and open bracket, close bracket, then semicolon. On the next line, using a tab indentation, I am printing run. Okay. If I want to call this function car, I just have to write car and like this, it prints run. I can run this car multiple times as and when required, so it implements code reusability. I have ops in Python. So ops is object-oriented programming. So Python is object-oriented, in which we have classes and object. To define a class in Python, we have to use the keyword class and then the class name such as animal. And I have a value x equals to 5 and name equals to cow, suppose. Okay, and I'm running this class. To create an object of this class, I have to give a variable for the object name ob is equal to and call the constructor of this class animal. So if I print ob, it will print the string value of this object. But if I print ob.x, it will print the value of x, and if I type ob.name, it will print the value of name, like this. Another way is that we have something called init in Python. So what is init? Init is executed when a class is instantiated, so it is like a constructor in Python. So def underscore underscore init underscore underscore, and within that we have self name. Now under this, suppose self dot name, whatever name the user will give will be declared, will be stored in the variable name of this class. Name equals to name, and that's it. So now we have the freedom to give arbitrary values using the user input. Now at first we will create an object of this class animal. So ob is equal to animal. Let me run this to code. And now ob is equal to animal. It is showing us an error because we have not given a parameter. We need to give a parameter for this name variable. So the parameter I am giving cat, and now it is not giving us an error. And now if I print ob.name, it will show us cat. Next is modules. In Python, we have a lot of inbuilt modules, which is a set of functions which we can include in our application for ease. Math module is one of those modules. So to import the module, we have to use the keyword import and math, the module name. Then I can use the function pow, math.pow, 2, 10 means 2 to the power 10, and if I run it, it gives the answer 1024. So like this, we have several modules, and inside each module we have several functions in Python. Suppose I want to print this value z. It will throw an error because the value of z is not instantiated with a value. Now if I enclose the z inside a try and except block, so in the try block I am printing the value of z which has actually no value, and in the except block I am giving a message which will be thrown if any error happens. And if I run this code, it prints the message something wrong. It does not throw an error. So this is how we handle exception in Python. In Python, for single line comment, we will use a single hash. This is single line comment, okay? And for multi-line comment, we can use doc strings, that is triple quotes. Within triple quotes, we can comment number of lines we want, like this, and after this comment we can perform any operations, like we can print hi. So hi is printed and the multi-line comment stays here. It's not printed. So this is how we do single line comment and multi-line comment in Python. So yeah, that's it. That was quick 10 minutes. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and also share it with your friends and classmates. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because subscription is very important for me right now. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.